Lesson 8. The Monkey and the Crocodile. Introduction. This is an old fable which tells us not to surrender even in the most difficult or impossible situation. This is what the monkey does in the tale given below. Once upon a time, a bright monkey lived on a tree that bore juicy red apples. He was very happy. One fine day, a crocodile swam up to that tree and told the monkey, "I have traveled a long distance and I am in search of food. I have not eaten anything for 3 days." The kind monkey offered him a few apples. "Eat these apples and enjoy. Your hunger will go away." The crocodile enjoyed them very much. He asked the monkey, "Can I come again for some more apples?" The monkey was very generous. He happily agreed and said, "You are most welcome." The crocodile returned the next day and the next one after that. Soon the two became very good friends. They discussed their lives, their friends and family, like all friends do. The crocodile told the monkey that he had a wife and that they lived on the other side of the river. So the kind monkey offered him some extra apples to take home to his wife. He said, "Take these apples to your wife and give her my good wishes." The crocodile's wife loved the apples and made her husband promise to get her some every day. Meanwhile, the friendship between the monkey and the crocodile deepened as they spent more and more time together. The crocodile's wife started getting jealous. She wanted to put an end to this friendship. So, she pretended that she could not believe that her husband could be friends with a monkey. Her husband tried to convince her that he and the monkey shared true friendship. The crocodile's wife thought to herself, "I wonder that if the monkey lived on a diet of apples, how very sweet his flesh would be." So she asked the crocodile one day, "Why don't you invite the monkey to our house?" The crocodile was not happy about this. He tried to make the excuse, saying, No, it would be difficult to get the monkey across the river." But his wife was determined to eat the monkey's flesh. So she thought of a plan. One day she pretended to be very ill and told the crocodile, "I am very sick. The doctor says that I would only recover if I eat a monkey's heart." The crocodile was shocked hearing so and did not answer. She tightened her net. "My dear husband, don't you want to save my life? If you can't bring your friend's heart, let me die." The crocodile was aghast. He was in a dilemma. On one hand, he loved his friend, and on the other, he could not possibly let his wife die. Seeing his dilemma, the crocodile's wife threatened him, "If you do not get the monkey's heart today, I will surely die." So the crocodile went to the apple tree and invited the monkey to come home to meet his wife. "But I do not know how to swim," said the monkey. "No problem." The crocodile smiled convincingly. "You can ride across the river on my back." The monkey happily agreed. As they reached the middle of the river, the crocodile began to sink. The monkey was frightened. He asked him, "Why are you doing this?" The crocodile explained, "I am very sorry, dear friend, but I will have to kill you to save my wife's life." The bright monkey understood their plotting. He said, "Why didn't you tell me this thing before? I would have gladly given up my heart to save the life of dear Bhabiji. I wanted to tell you, but..." The crocodile didn't know what to say. Seeing his confusion, Monkey said assuredly, "Just swim back to the tree. I have left my heart behind in the apple tree." The crocodile was all the more confused. The monkey ordered him, "Make haste and turn back so that I could get my heart from the apple tree. I don't want to waste even a second in dear Bhabiji's treatment." The trick worked, and the silly crocodile quickly swam back to the apple tree in hope that monkey will take his sweetheart from the tree. As soon as he neared the tree, the monkey scampered up to its safety. "Now," he said, "don't wait here, you fool. Go and tell your wicked wife that she had married the biggest fool in the world. Never come back for the apples. You will not get even single piece from this tree. The crocodile went away with a shameful
Exercise.